Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn Shein points so you can get extra discount on your orders. Let's get started. Open up Shein application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the Me icon right over here. Then select Check In. Now tap onto it every day. Each day gives you point. If you don't see the check-in option, you can simply scroll down a little. Sometimes it's further down on the Me page. If your region does not support it, I'll show you the alternative method next. Inside the Me section, look for My Orders, then tap on View All. Tap on Delivered. And then, when your order arrives, tap on Confirm Delivery. You earn points for every confirmed orders. Also, after that, tap on Review. And then, add star rating, written comments, and photo. This is the fastest way to earn a lot of points. Now head back to the home page. And then inside here, scroll down until you see hashtag Shein or style challenges. You can post your outfits, and if you get chosen, you get points. This may vary by region. And that's it. Now you know how you can earn Shein points quickly and easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.